At the edge of the majestic River Niger lies a city of calm, beauty, and deep significance. A city where history, culture, and creativity meets. This is Asaba, the capital of Delta State, Nigeria. Once a quiet riverine town, Asaba has grown into a symbol of the modern Igbo identity, a home of Nollywood movies, and a gateway between the eastern and western Nigeria. To understand Asaba is to understand the delicate blend of tradition and progress. A city grounded in heritage, yet always looking ahead. The River Niger, the lifeline of Asaba, has long defined the city's rhythm and relevance. On the opposite bank lies its twin, Onitsha, one of the largest commercial cities in Nigeria and Igbo land. Together, they form a cultural and economic bridge between the eastern and western Nigeria. Asaba's very name, from the Igbo Ahaba, means I have settled, or a place of gathering, and indeed for centuries it has been a meeting point for people, culture, and trade. Asaba has always been a place of unity. It sits at the crossroad of the Igbo world and the Niger. The people are traders, artists, and storytellers. From the calm waters of the Niger to the ancient quarters of Umago, Umuezei, and Umaji, the city story flows like the river itself, enduring, patient, and ever moving. In Asaba, tradition lives in the rhythm of the drum, the color of the Ine festival, and the solemnity of the Iwaji New Yam Festival. Even in its modernity, the city carries the spirit of Igbo resilience, a reminder of unity and cultural pride. Asaba also bears the scars of history. In 1967, during the Nigerian Civil War, the city witnessed the tragic Asaba massacre where hundreds lost their lives. Yet, from the pain, the people rebuilt with grace, forgiveness, and unshakable hope for peace. Today, the spirit of Asaba defines the city, a calm heart on the bank of the mighty river. If Lagos is the commercial capital of Nigeria and Enugu is the historic cradle of Nigerian cinema, Asaba is new home of Nollywood. Over the last 2 decades, the city has become a famous powerhouse. Its quiet neighborhoods, affordable production costs, and the warm community have made it the go-to destination for hundreds of Nollywood productions each year. From romance drama to village epic, Asaba streets, hotels, and homes have become characters in countless films. The city's skyline and culture now live in the imagination of millions across Africa and beyond. Born from Asaba's creative heartbeat, Nollywood here is more than entertainment. It is a voice, a reflection of the Igbo soul and Nigerians' dreams. Modern Asaba is fast becoming one of the most livable cities in Nigeria. With its clean streets, expanding road networks, and thriving hospitality industry, Asaba is positioning itself as both a regional capital and a tourism hub. From film festivals to business conferences, Asaba continues to attract visitors not just for its beauty but for its energy, creativity, and welcoming spirit. It is a city in motion, balancing growth and heritage, ambition and calm. Asaba is more than a dot on the Nigerian map. It is a story of endurance, creativity, and connection. A place where the river flows into dreams, where culture meets cinema and where the Igbo spirit continues to shine. This is Asaba, the city where stories are born.